Hi there! So, I recently got a package from Maybelline, which I'm really excited about. They sent me a restock on the Instant Anti-Age Eraser, which is my favorite concealer. It's funny because I was thinking these days I wanted to do a video, and I'll probably do a video with my drugstore favorites. And recently I've been using the L'Oreal concealer a lot, and I was thinking, well, which one is my favorite though? The L'Oreal one, which I don't have in front of me. I'm talking about the 24-hour Morning Concealer. Oh, here it is. This one. Or the Maybelline one, the Instant Anti-Age Eraser. And honestly, I think I'm leaning towards the Maybelline one, solely because they are both great concealers. But I do prefer something that's a little bit more natural, more hydrating, and I think the Instant Anti-Age Eraser is perfect for that. It's a perfect balance between coverage and moisturizing, and I don't know, it just keeps the under eye area looking fresh and healthy. And it's not drying at all, which I really like. I think they changed the packaging slightly, and by looking side by side at this product, this is the most exciting part. I also got the Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup, which I never tried. I see that it has a bit of shimmer in it, or I'm not sure if the packaging has shimmer or the product itself has shimmer, because when I look at the tube I can see slightly like tiny shimmers, and it's making me excited because I love glowy skin tints, whatever, foundations. So this is a 4-in-1 primer, concealer, highlighter and BB cream. I do love a more natural foundation type of a product, so I might really like this one, but I will see. I'm actually gonna start with my brightener shade, which I usually use on my under eye area. It's kind of like a dark circles brightener, obviously, as the name says. So it's a pink peachy corrector, which neutralizes, let me think, peachy. It works for like if you have blue, yeah, kind of like blue dark circles, blue areas around your eyes. I do have a blue spot right here in my inner corner, and this is great for neutralizing that. I've gotten lazy and I haven't really used this corrector lately, but I really like it. I think it's a nice extra step if you want your under eyes to look like really bright. So we're using it today. And I'm mainly gonna concentrate it here, but I'm also gonna bring it a bit on my under eye. I'm gonna blend it out using my sponge. I have my sponge from Real Techniques right here. And you can't really wear this on your own unless your skin is really pink toned. I think that's when it would work. For me, it looks kind of out of place because I have a warm toned skin. But of course I'm gonna cover it with the concealer and it's gonna be great. Okay, so it's basically the same mechanism. You have to twist it like you do with the concealer, and supposedly product will come out eventually. Being a new product, I think it kind of takes a bit of twisting until something comes out. I have the shade light and I have the shade fair, and I think I might need fair though. Come on, come on, come on. There's a little product coming out. I don't know if you can see it. So that's how it's happening. Is this my right shade? Might be a bit dark. I kind of want to see the shade fair too. I can't really see the shade properly. Okay, so here's light. And I think it's neutral toned and maybe just a tiny bit dark for me. I'm pretty sure that shade fair will be a better match for me. Okay, I twisted fair too. And let's see the shade. Yeah, I think it's such a better match. Here is fair and here is light. Fair is also a bit more yellow tone, while light is neutral, I would say. Let's see, I'm gonna use the same sponge. It is so lightweight. Again, I mean, they kind of state that you can use it as a primer too, so... Oh, but it gives such a healthy glow to the skin. But then again, if you're looking for coverage, this is not it. Ooh, but it's so beautiful. Look how my skin is glowing on this side. And again, it doesn't cover anything, it's just adding some glow and maybe like tinting your skin a bit. Oh my god, but it looks so beautiful, especially if you have dry skin. I think you will love this effect. This is not a review for this product, even though it is for me. It's lovely and reflective. I really like it. Especially because my skin is kind of dry right now, because it's still winter. Let's test the concealer. It's the shade 7. I'm assuming that from what I got from them, I think this will be a suitable shade for me. Twisting, twisting, twisting. I'm really excited. I hope this shade is right for me, because I really like this product. Like this one, I've been using it a lot over the years. You can also remove the sponge. I did this for one of my concealers once. I kind of prefer it with the sponge, even though I don't know how hygienic it is. It's for personal use, whatever. Okay, I think I could have used a lighter shade, but I probably can work with this. I'm using the same sponge. And I think I'm also gonna use it to kind of prime my lids, let's say. Okay, this is kind of like on the verge, I think, of being too dark. I still can use it. I mean, I see no major difference, I think, between my under eyes and the rest of my face. Maybe I'll go into different lighting and be like, oh, that's not my shade. I hope that's not the case. I would have loved to go on with Maybelline, but as far as blush bronzer goes, I don't have anything from them, powder either. So I'm gonna still be using Drugstore, and I'll be using the NYX Wonder Stick. It's in the shade Light Medium, which is definitely, again, a bit dark for me, but I can work with it if I apply pretty little product. The placement, that's the placement. Let me find my brush. I am using a setting brush from Real Techniques to blend this out. I like that it's precise and it's not, it allows me to keep the product where I put it and not move it around a lot. Doing tiny circular left and right motions, trying not to drag the product too low. So I'm kind of going upwards with it. Okay, blush. I have this one from SheGlam. It's the Love Cake shade from their liquid blush range. And I am using a taper blending brush from Juvia's Place, and I am tapping on the product. I feel like this is the most efficient way to blend a cream blush without moving the foundation, whatever, my skin tint, underneath. I remember that I have this from Maybelline, the Face Strobing Stick, and I'm gonna use it as a highlighter, even though, again, it's a bit dark for me. I'm pretty pale, so understandable. Let me find a clean brush. Or if I use this one from Real Techniques. They market it as a crease brush, and it's a concealer brush, but I'm gonna use it as a highlighter brush. What am I doing? Chaos. I almost have a full face of Maybelline. What if I could get like a bronzer or something and a blush, and then do a video, a full face of Maybelline. I'll think about it. Moving on, I need to set. I'm gonna use the Revolution baking powder in the shade Lace. Again, a pretty good drugstore powder if you ask me. I gotta blend out the creases first, which is normal. Creases are normal. It doesn't mean that this is a bad concealer. Any concealer creases when you don't set it with powder. Actually, when I was working in Sephora, some people told me that this doesn't crease, this Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser. Maybe it's just me. I have eye creases. If you have a perfectly smooth under eye, probably it won't crease. People, I mean clients at Sephora, even though we didn't have Maybelline, but I was telling them the same thing, that any concealer creases. And some people, again, they told me that this one doesn't. We all have different experiences with products after all. I'm setting my under eyes as well as my pores area. So right here in the center of my face. I want the rest of my skin to stay glowy. That 4-in-1 glow, it's really lovely, and I want to be able to see that glow. I'm also gonna set my lids. I am mesmerized by my skin. It's glowing so beautifully. Moving on, a bit of eye makeup. Well, not a lot of it. That's what a bit means. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Tattoo Eyeliner Gel Pencil in the shade Deep Onyx. This is basically the black one. I'm gonna do the most basic wing liner of life. Watch this. This is really simple. It's the easiest eyeliner technique, and I think I did a video once called the easiest eyeliner technique, and I did this. I am gonna start from the outer corner, just applying a bit of pencil right on the outer corner of my eye. Sort of tracing a wing, but not really. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Like that, a baby wing. And then I'm gonna follow up with an angle brush. This is from Makeup Addiction, but any angle brush works, and I'm gonna use it to do the liner. So, flicking my brush, starting from the outer corner towards my temples. And that's the eyeliner. Simple as that. If you need to add a bit more pencil, you can do that. I think I'm gonna add just a bit more right here to make it a tiny bit thicker. And you can go back and smudge again. But that's basically it. It's so simple. It's so much easier than using liquid liner, in my opinion. Especially if you're struggling with liquid liner, you can try out this technique. I think you're gonna love it. Okay, let's finish off the eye look. It's gonna be really simple. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply a bit of mascara to finish off. And of course, I'm gonna use my favorite, the Sky High mascara. It's conveniently from Maybelline. But no, I really like this one. I think this is the second or the third tube that I'm using. What I mostly like, I mean, the effect is beautiful. It's mostly a lengthening mascara, and it has a beautiful effect. But what I like so much about this, that it doesn't crumble, it doesn't fall on the face after a few hours like most of my mascaras do, unfortunately. This one wears really well. Okay, lips, finishing off the look with the lip color. And I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Truffle? My brain just froze. Okay, it's Nude Truffle. I'm just trying to define my lips a bit before applying my favorite lipstick ever. The skin is looking so beautiful. Again, yeah, it does have shimmers. I can see them if I look really closely on my face. And it's reflective and beautiful. And I've been mentioning this a lot, but it's my favorite lip product. It's the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink. This is revolutionary. It's a glossy lipstick with a lasting finish, and it's transfer proof like a liquid lipstick. It doesn't dry the lips. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm using the shade Peachy. This is my favorite shade that I have tried from this range. It's my perfect everyday type of a color. It's a peachy nude shade, and I am obsessed with this product. when I first received this range, I gifted a shade from what I've got to my friend. She already finished that tube and got another one. So everyone I've asked loves this product. It's absolutely amazing. So this is my little drugstore look, all complete. Majority Maybelline combined with some NYX here and there. Today's conclusion is I absolutely love you. I like this product a lot. It's the first time I'm trying it. I really like this glow. My skin is combination too dry. My cheeks definitely are more on the dry side, so I love glowy products like these. And sheer coverage is also my favorite type of a coverage because it just looks natural, and I really like this product. And of course the other ones that I already used and loved for a long time, like the concealer, the lipstick, and the pencils, the eye pencils as well. I have the brown one too. The Sky High mascara is one of my favorites. I think I really like this brand. I'm gonna head out. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!